Drones technology, today and the future. The transformative journey of Marut Drones, written by S.P. Mishra and read by an automated voice. Once considered futuristic novelties, drones have now become indispensable tools across a wide spectrum of industries. From agriculture and healthcare to disaster response, urban planning, and cinematography, drone technology is reshaping how we interact with the world. By 2030, the global drone market is projected to reach USD 50 billion, a figure that rivals the global video game console industry. In India, the market is expected to grow to USD 4 billion, supported by over 700 manufacturers and 600 service providers. This isn't just a technological shift, it's a societal transformation. In a recent episode of the India Career Centre podcast, I had the privilege of hosting Mr. Sai Kumar, co-founder of Marut Drones, one of India's leading drone technology companies. What began as a small team of 3 co-founders has grown into a 200-plus member organization. Their journey, which started in the creative world of filmmaking, has evolved into a mission-driven enterprise that touches lives across sectors. Sai Kumar's entry into the drone space was serendipitous. Initially using drones for aerial shots in film production, he and his team quickly realized the broader potential of these machines. That curiosity led to the founding of Marut Drones, which today stands at the forefront of drone innovation in India. From mosquito control and afforestation to medical deliveries and agricultural operations, Marut Drones has pioneered applications that go far beyond conventional expectations. One of their most impactful projects involves using drones for afforestation. By deploying biodegradable seed balls over barren landscapes, Marut enables tree growth in hard-to-reach areas, particularly before the monsoon season. This initiative reflects a powerful synergy between ecological restoration and technological precision. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Marut also developed temperature-controlled drones to deliver medicines and diagnostic samples to remote regions, demonstrating how drones can serve as lifelines during times of crisis. Agriculture has emerged as a key focus area for Marut. Their drones are used for spraying pesticides, spreading urea, and even seeding operations. These innovations reduce labor intensity and increase efficiency, offering small farmers a chance to modernize their practices. However, the cost of drone technology remains a barrier for many. Sai Kumar acknowledged this challenge and emphasized Marut's commitment to democratizing access. By training young entrepreneurs to operate drones and understand the business side of agriculture services, Marut is fostering a new generation of drone professionals. The entrepreneurial potential in this space is immense. With increasing demand for aerial spraying services, individuals can earn between 7,000 to 10,000 per day. The initial investment in a drone can be recovered within a year, making it a sustainable and profitable venture. Marut not only trains pilots but also educates them on business fundamentals, covering drone categories, operational strategies, cost calculations, and marketing. Their upcoming entrepreneur course aims to equip students with both technical skills and practical insights, emphasizing the importance of ground research and networking. Innovation at Marut is driven by user feedback. Farmers have discovered unique applications for drones, such as crop shaking for pollination or scaring animals away from fields. In response, Marut has introduced attachments for spreading fertilizers and even delivery modules. This adaptability reflects a design philosophy rooted in listening, learning, and evolving. Yet, the path to widespread adoption is not without its complexities. Drone manufacturing in India still faces bottlenecks. While companies like Marut focus on designing drones for specific use cases, they rely on specialists for components like motors, flight controllers, frames, and arms. Currently, about 40% of drone components are made in India, with the government aiming to push this to 80% by year-end. The push towards self-reliance is gaining momentum, with more domestic companies entering the parts manufacturing space. Data security is another concern. Sai Kumar clarified that Indian drones store data on local servers and follow strict protocols to prevent data theft. The intelligence of drones lies in their software, which is controlled by Indian companies, ensuring sovereignty and safety in operations. For young students and professionals, The drone industry offers a wide array of career paths. Whether one is interested in research and development, algorithm design, piloting, or entrepreneurship, the opportunities are vast. The industry is evolving rapidly, and those who enter now will be shaping its future. Marut's educational initiatives are designed to nurture this talent, offering comprehensive training that blends theory with real-world application. Reflecting on Marut's journey, from navigating a policy void 7 years ago to being selected for Forbes 30 Under 30 and raising USD 6.2 million in Series A funding, the story is one of resilience, vision, and impact. With the government's drone rules now in place, companies like Marut can focus on scaling operations and deepening their contributions to sectors like agriculture, healthcare, and environmental restoration. As India races toward a USD 4 billion drone economy, the question is no longer whether drones will change our world, but how fast and how far. The possibilities are endless, and the responsibility is immense. Innovators like Marut Drones remind us that technology, when guided by conscience and curiosity, can become a force for good.